Good morning and welcome to the Philippine Sports Writers Association Esports Forum. We are live here at the Philippine Sports Commission building inside the Rizal Memorial Sports Stadium. And this morning, in celebration of the Women's Month, we have here the person behind the annual PSC Women in Sports Awards for its third consecutive year. And this is a recognition of top performers among women athletes in the year 2025. I'm Radical Lord of Manila Standard. Good morning, partner.
Magandang araw po. This is the Philippine Sports Writers Association Forum. Dito pa rin po sa ating PSC Media Room. Hope that you are with us through our live streaming sa pamagitan ng Philippine Sports Writers Association Facebook page, likewise delayed basis over Sports Radio 918. Ako po si Judith Caringal.
Yes, partner, in behalf of PSC President Francis Ochoa of the Daily Inquirer, pasalamatan natin ating mga taga-suporta, of course, Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, Milo, Alina Plus, and San Miguel Corporation.
Definitely a bigger Philippine Sports Commission Women in Sports Awards this year, 2026. Mga Pilipinong atleta, mga para-athletes, bibigyan po natin ng pagkilala. At ang iba pa na tunay na involved sa Philippine sports. Kaya para sabihin sa atin, ibigay sa atin, sino ba ang mga awardees at gaano mga kalaki, kasignifikante ang awards night na ito. No, other than Commissioner Bong Cruz, dito pa rin po sa PSA Forum. Magandang araw, welcome back to the PSA Forum. Kamusta po?
Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Nandito po ako para i-discuss yung Women's Awards that we will have on March 20 sa PICC at 4 p.m. Ito po ay recognition namin sa mga outstanding female athletes. Alam niyo po, nung ako po ay atleta, hindi po ako nabigyan ng Women's Awards per se. Lagi po ako kailangan ibabanggipain. So in terms of achievement, para ako mag-award. Pero nakita ko na dapat naman bigyan ng special attention ang mga women na nagbibigay din ng mga award o nagbibigay din ng mga recognition sa ating bansa. Kaya ng 2024, nagsimula kami sa first Women in Sports Awards. Una dito po namin ginawa sa Rizal Memorial kasi hindi po namin alam kung maraming darating, but it was very successful. Number second year, medyo sa Century na po kami, Century Hotel. At marami rin po ang nag-attend. And this year, medyo PICC na po kami. Kaya nakikita nyo na mas marami po aming inibigay para po magkaroon ng recognition ang women's sports.
Ito po darating sa event sa Thursday, of course. Ito po sa Friday, March 20, sa PICC na. Sobrang laki na nito. Ilan po ang mga paparangalan natin? And kung mamarapali niyo po, pwede niyo na po siguro sabihin naman sa amin kung sino po yung top awardee ninyo bilang athlete of the year or athletes of the year.
Definitely, hindi lang naman yung mga atleta ang aming i-award, siyempre pati yung mga ibang female managers, mga bigay ng mga halagaan sa women's sports. Actually, we have about, confirm sa amin, I think we're having about 450. We have 83 awards. Pero ang dami yata mga 450 na. Okay, first of all, we have invited the First Lady because we're giving her Inan Atleta Awards. So we're giving her a special award. Our, another one, yung mabibigay ng award ni Senate President Vicente Soto. And of course, Chairman Pato. And we also invited Senator Bongo, who has been helping us in sports, and also Senator Luisa Tiberos, of course, we we have also si President Abraham Valentino, and also the Para-President Michael Marrero, and of course the DCW Commissioner Cecilia Lavantripi. Lahat sila ay inilahan namin at dalamin sila. Ang major sponsors namin will be Fossil, Milo, Pocari, Summit, Logistic, and Brits. Minor sponsor, marami din. Kaya lang ang mga atleta, bibigyan namin sila ng sa Fossil watches. Hindi lang bukod sa trophies at saka doon sa amin. Hindi Pasko na bibigay namin. Si Maya yung bibigay namin. And of course, we're also giving out some rings like this, some awards. And until of the year namin, mention kayo sa inyo is going to be of course, the Philippine football team.
Pilipinas.
Pilipinas. Southeast Asian Games champion.
And also, the para-athlete of the year, of course, will be also
Angel.
Angel Leon. Pagdating sa Masters, we have Ina Atleta Pinoy, which is the first lady, Lisa Araneta Marcos. And we have a Lifetime Achievement Awards. Marami sila sa football, si Ina Palacios, sa athletics, si Maricela Torres, sa para-sports, si Adeline Dumaco, sa bowling, I have two, we have two, Gisela Rosario and Beck Patanave. Executive awardees, we have Julie Amos for basketball, Rosalind Hook for kickboxing, Ana Ipanco for golf, Nelly Ramos for sports marketing, was Lian Cheng for sports admin. We have for bowling, Josephine Nanage, our coach. Siguro pwede sa akin siyang coach, ngayon sa Pagpigyan na award. And of course, Cynthia Calibon, which is masters. Marami pa kaming awardees sa different sports. We have about 65.
So, alin po yung mga awards niyo? So, may major awards,